Good afternoon. I'm Arun Chittilapilly, Managing Director of Wonderla Amusement Parks in India. We've been in this industry since 2000, so almost 25 years. And we have successfully managed to do this concept in multiple cities in India. For us, the Adventures of Chikku brings our mascot to life, and it's a ride that we've had for more than 15 years in our parks. Chikku has been central to Wonderla as a brand from the very beginning. In fact, our old logo used to have Chikku as part of it. We no longer have Chikku as part of the logo, but Chikku remains an integral part of the brand. It also kind of signifies the playfulness of the brand and the vibe of the brand. So it was very important for us to make sure that Chikku resonates with the right audience for our markets. So it was time for us to kind of revamp and renew our mascot and the attraction. We felt that we wanted to talk to a younger audience and a more internationally aware audience, make it more relevant for today's audience. That's why we wanted to work with a reputed company to make sure that we have the right ingredients in terms of the design of the character and also the kind of movie that we were producing. We wanted to make sure that it was a hit with all our audiences. So we have worked with various design studios to do 3D films before. This time we chose Red Raion because we like their concept, and they were also very pragmatic in terms of their approach and very approachable and also timely delivery. So these are some of the things that we really like, and also that working with Salvo and the team has been great. They're very methodical, detail-oriented outfit, and that's very important to bring a character like this to life. Because we had so many iterations of meetings to just design the character itself, and then of course the movie also took it is a long process. So I think the meticulousness which Red Raion showed in this creating this has been amazing. I think we really enjoyed working with Red Raion to bring this character to life, and we hope that we can work more with them in the future.
Good morning all. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you to this colorful function.
Ladies and gentlemen, now in this amazing adventure journey, as audience, you have the option to choose the end. That magic is going to happen. As I told you, we have this scream meter. I'm dividing this whole theatre into two groups, okay? Who will scream the loudest? That team will get the right to choose the end. Are you ready?
Wonderla is not just an amusement park. Wonderla is an emotion. It is in Wonderla that friends and families come together, joy comes alive, and lasting memories are made.
Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. And it's a special moment for us, for me, as a CEO of Red Raion, and for Red Raion themselves. This collaboration with Wonderla is a landmark for us. It's a landmark and combine the strength of Red Raion, CGI studio for media-based attraction, and Wonderla, the leader in amusement parks here in India, It's something that will definitely elevate our brands and make us grow stronger. We hope to offer you a pleasant adventure today, and we're very excited for the opportunities that come in the near future.
That animation effect was very good and it was wonderful. It was wonderful to enjoy it.
How was your experience about the film?
Nice.
Nice. And what did you like the most? Did you like Chikku?
Yeah.
I watched this 2 times. This is my second time.
It's very nice actually. Very nice.
Very useful for kids and all.
How did you feel about the character Chikku?
He is reckless, but then he's available for more exciting adventures. And
What about the elephant character Ammu?
she saves anybody, even though she herself is in danger. She cares about her friends. So
Overall about the film, it is
it
good.
was good.
As of now, we are happy with the result that we've got in terms of the ride and the attractions. Of course, we always want more and we want to do the best that we can for our customers. So we have been lucky and we hope that the new attraction also is a big hit with our customers.